Oh, this is too funny.
Yeah,
but that's okay.
You can go take the next left, and you can come right around the block.
You're a scooter, doesn't matter. Oh, no. Oh, it's too funny.
He really rides those brakes.
Maybe your brakes suck.
They probably do.
Woo!
Yeah.
Woo! Don't get off me.
Ooh.
Just salad dressing on your face.
Oh.
Walk a little faster.
I'm trying to keep the camera steady. Holy shit, Tyson.
Oh, it's like a dragon, but it's hilarious.
Jesus.